Garmin HRM 600 versus Garmin HRM 200. Which heart rate monitor is right for you? If you're choosing between Garmin's HRM 600 and HRM 200, the key question is simple. Do you just need reliable heart rate tracking, or do you want advanced training data and more flexibility? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. Both are chest strap monitors that measure the heart's electrical signals, giving you a more responsive heart rate reading than many wrist-based optical sensors, especially during intense or rapidly changing workouts. The HRM 200 is the simpler option. It supports ANT+ and Bluetooth connections, uses a replaceable CR2032 battery rated for up to 1 year at 1 hour of use per day, and has a detachable sensor pod and washable strap. It's designed for athletes who mainly want dependable heart rate data without paying for extra training features. The HRM 600 steps things up considerably. It has a rechargeable battery rated for up to 2 months at 1 hour per day, 5 ATM water resistance, onboard activity recording, and support for multiple Bluetooth connections plus ANT+. The removable sensor pod also makes the strap easier to wash. For runners, it adds advanced running dynamics, while compatible Garmin devices can use additional metrics such as running economy and step speed loss. The biggest downside is value. The HRM 600 is significantly more expensive, and many of its advanced features won't matter if you only want heart rate for cycling, gym workouts, or basic training. It also uses Garmin's charging system rather than USB-C, so the HRM 200 is the better choice for most people who simply want accurate, reliable heart rate tracking. The HRM 600 makes more sense for serious runners, multi-sport athletes, or Garmin users who will actually use its onboard recording and advanced metrics. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which Garmin HRM you choose.